Students, how are you all? Hope you have written your assessments well and you got your results too. So I'm here back with some more Olympiad practice questions which will help you for better understanding of the concept. So in our previous classes we dealt with plants, right? Now it's the turn of animals that we see around us. So that happens to be the second chapter of your science textbook, I guess. So hope you understood the lesson. Your ma'am has already taught you. So let us just go through some Olympiad practice questions today. Okay? Are you ready? Before I start, please, if you wish, it's not compulsory. If you wish, you please write down this at the back side of your science homework. Please record these questions somewhere. Maybe you can write this in the back side of your science homework book. Better to write down because it will be helpful for you in the future. But it's not compulsory. Okay, children? So let's go ahead with some practice questions today. Let us see the first one. Carnivores have well developed. You can see that options are given: canines, molars and premolars. What are all these? These are nothing but the types of the teeth that we have actually. We have got, human beings have got 4 types of teeth, right? Incisors, we have canines, we have premolars and molars, right? So carnivores, they have got, what is, first of all, these are meat eating or flesh eating animals. They depend on some animals. They eat the flesh or meat of other animals. Some specialized or what you call well developed particularly one kind of teeth, a set of teeth actually that they have developed is that's nothing but canines, right? Molars and premolars, then grinding the food. Here they need to tear the flesh of meat, flesh meat of animals. So for that reason, the sharp, what are canines? The sharp edged teeth. Actually, we have got some 2 pairs of canines, isn't it? Very sharp, well developed canines for tearing. So what is the correct option here? It is canines. Next, butterflies suck nectar from flowers with the help of, what is that organ which helps the butterflies to suck nectars from flowers? We know that butterflies feed on the nectars of the flowers. So what is that? They don't have mouth, they don't have tongue. What is that specialized structure? It is called as proboscis. It is called as proboscis, the coiled one, tube-like structure which it inserts into the flower and drinks the nectar. Insects like bugs, termites move by, so bugs and termites, what are termites? Ant-like creatures, right? Small ant-like creatures. Bugs also, how do they move? Then they don't jump, they don't fly. What is the correct mode of locomotion in them? That is crawling. They just walk, like they crawl on the surface. The breathing organs of amphibians are. What are the breathing organs of the amphibians called? What do you mean by amphibians, children? Those which live both on water and land. Amphibians. So how do they respire? How do they breathe? Do they have lungs? Yes. They can breathe through skin also, and they breathe through gills also. So they have all these actually as their breathing organs. So what should be your option? It should be all. Okay. Let's see some more questions now. Okay. Let's see some more questions now. Rabbits, rats and squirrels are called, what are they called? Specifically they are called as rodents, children. They are called as rodents. All these. Now, more apart from this, even capybaras, they are also called as rodents. Carnivores and omnivores is not specific. Actually, they usually eat grains, isn't it? So, not particularly carnivores and omnivores, but they are called as a specific group that is named as rodents. Okay. Next, dash travels long distances to reach the river to lay eggs. It reaches the river to lay eggs. So it's not turtle, it's not frog, but salmon. It's a kind of fish that travels long distance to reach to the river to lay eggs. Insects breathe through. So they've got some specialized structures for breathing. Have you seen that? Do you remember, children? Can you recall? It's not skin, it's not gills. It is called as spiracles. Spiracles are those small pores that are present all body through which gaseous exchange takes place. So it is nothing but called as spiracles. Dash is a migratory bird. So what is meant by migration, children? They move from one place to the other, either during the summers or during the winters, in order to protect themselves. They move to the warmer, some move to the warmer places, and some move to the colder places. Depending upon their body type and their nature, they migrate. They travel long distances from one place to another. They cover thousands of kilometers, hundreds and thousands of kilometers to reach to different places. So these are the birds actually which migrate from one place to another: Arctic tern and Siberian crane. So both of them are nothing but migratory birds. They move long distances to different places. Okay. So what should